Pythium is a fungus-like organism. One of the things that really separates it from true fungi is the fact that it forms a swimming spore stage called a zoospore, and true fungi don't do that. Now what you're going to see is in the lower part of the picture at the hypha, and on the end of the hypha is kind of a lemon-shaped structure called a sporangium. And when the temperature and moisture conditions favor the zoospore formation, what happens is the cytoplasm in the sporangium begins to form the zoospores. And in the case of Pythium, the sporangium forms a vesicle, or sort of like a balloon-like structure at the end of the sporangium. But the cytoplasm moves from the sporangium into the vesicle and then starts dividing up into zoospores. And you can actually sit there and watch with a compound microscope as that happens. And over about a 5-minute period, the zoospores begin to form, and then they become very active. And that's what we're going to see in the video. Over time, they start moving a little bit faster and a little bit faster. And then eventually, the vesicle breaks and the zoospores are released. And what you'll see towards the very end of this video is that one of the zoospores gets trapped in the vesicle. And if you look very carefully, you'll be able to see part of the vesicle down in the lower left-hand area. You can see just almost looks like a little line or kind of a little faint shadowy area. But eventually that zoospore is released. The end result is one hypha gives rise to one sporangium, but that one sporangium gives rise to many, many zoospores, and theoretically each zoospore could infect a different root. And so the end result would be you could get a lot of infection from a very little bit of Pythium. The big difference between Pythium and Phytophthora is that Phytophthora releases the zoospores directly from the sporangium, and it doesn't form a vesicle outside the sporangium.